How did you find me?
Same way I learned to tie a bow tie and slice a pineapple. YouTube. So who are you working for, Eastern Bloc, Acevedo, Langley?
I'm not working for anybody, okay?
I was good at everything. The best, actually.
Excuse me, ma'am. You dropped your...
It takes a certain mindset to do this kind of work. So I started gathering intel.
It's great, kid. A lot of spirit.
She has an IQ of 140. And she will use it to kill you.
Come in.
I didn't plan for it to turn out like this.
It's okay, Kate. I've got a plan. Kate, what I'm going to do is wait for the next person to show up to kill you.